can't believe we're lost in the woods.
It was an outdoor adventure.
Remind me while we're on this school trip to appreciate nature.
The Liv girls will never forget.
What was that? A bear!
A tiger? In the forest? Oh, it's just a cute little bunny. I just have to have him.
Join the amazing eco-chic adventure.
I'll have you totally glam in a sec. Does anyone know where I can plug this in? If the Lux Lodge is nature, sign me up.
The elements
Mountain boarding. Extreme.
and friendship.
Bugs Bunny here just ate my bag.
I wish I could take you home too.
But will it bring them closer together?
It's a nature.
Liv It's My Nature. Living on shelves and online fall 2010.